Hello, good morning. So today we'll discuss all the um, unformatted file IO functions. Okay, file IO functions. So last class we have studied how to open the file in different modes, how to declare the file, and um, today we'll discuss regarding um, different IO functions. That is file IO functions. Okay, so these are the functions. F get C. This is one function. F put C, F get S, F put S, get W, put W. These are the functions. Um, Now F scanf, F printf. So these are the things you have to study. So these are all the three six are unformatted file IO functions. This is formatted file IO function. So our discussion is what? To read the data from the input file through pointer, file pointer, and do all the operations, reading and writing. Okay, we'll discuss all these things. First one is fgetS. F get C function. What is F is what? You are reading from the files. All you are reading and writing onto files. All IO is performing from the files. So okay, F get C is what? It is to get or read from input file via file pointer through file pointer. Okay. So fgetC function is to read a character from the input file through file pointer. So this is you have to understand. You have to write this. Oh, what is the syntax? FgetC syntax. How it works? F get C. What you want to read? You want to read the data, that is the data pointed by the file pointer from the input file. Okay. So fgetC is what? Read the character from the input file pointed by file pointer. Once you read the character, that should be collected. For example, you can write like this: ch is equal to f get c fp. So this you have to write. So once you read the you have to open the file in read mode. In order to achieve this, you have to open the file in read mode. That is input file. Once you open the file, any input file from the hard disk in read mode, then the file pointer is pointing to the very first character of the file opened, if it is present. Once it is present, you have to read the character from the input file pointed by FP, and then you have to collect it in some variable. So this is the thing. Once you read the character from the input, if I want to output the character, okay, onto the output file. So this is fgetC. fgetC is instant. Okay. What is f put C? F put C. F put C. F put is what? It not get till alive. Put ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Read ಬದಲು what I am going to write here? Write ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Just opposite word. ಇಲ್ಲ from ಇಲ್ಲ on to the not input file. That is output file. You see, just the difference. Use the common sense. So you in F put C is what? Write a character onto the output file, and the file must be opened in which mode? Write mode. Adರಲ್ಲಿ fgetC the file must be opened in read mode. Idರಲ್ಲಿ you have to open in write mode. then only the file will be opened in write mode, and whatever the character that you want to transfer onto the output file must be transferred using that function. That is fputc. How we are going to syntax is what? ಇಲ್ಲಿ fget c ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು argument ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You are going to have what is the character which you want to transfer onto the output file. Then fp is what? File pointer of the output file. So this is you have to write. Okay, this is fputc. So what fputc will do, it write a character onto the output file, put or write, ಅಲ್ಲಿ get or read, will put or write onto the output file pointed by file pointer. Okay, this is you have to understand. Fget c is to read a character from the input file pointed by file pointer. Fputc is to write a character onto the output file through file pointer. Fget c is associated with the file must be opened in read mode. Fputc, if you want fputc has to be happen, then the file must be opened in write mode. These are the things you have to understand. Okay, that's it. What is fgetS? F is what? File. Get ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇವನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಇಂದ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to read the string, line of text. So fgetS function is to read the line of text string from the input file pointed by file pointer. fputS ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It write the string onto the output file pointed by file pointer. This is to read a line of text from the input file. This is to write a string, write a line of text onto the output file. Read a text, read a string from the input file, write a string onto the output file. This is the difference. Okay, so I will explain you now how fgetS is what? FgetS function syntax. Syntax you have to write fgetS is the name of the function. You are having three arguments here. One is the buffer, you can say it is a character array, then size of the character array, then the file pointer. So this is the syntax of example fgetS. Any buffer means character array, can give any. For example, I will give str. Size, for example, I will give 10. The size of the string character array must be 10. You can give any size. File pointer. So once you open the file stored in the hard disk, once you open the file, input file, then you have from that file, you are reading the line of text string. What is the length of the line of text? 10. Suppose if I write 20, from the input file, you are fetching 20 characters. 20. Okay, the size of the character is 20, and that will be stored in one array. You have to declare that character str of maximum. Once you open the file in read mode, what the file pointer is pointing to the very first character, right? From that, it takes 20 characters transferred to the memory. str is the name character array in RAM. Okay, so ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫೈಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 20 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗು ಅದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬಫರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ str. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಫ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇನ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಟಿಎಕ್ಸ್ಟಿ ಇನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. fgetS ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ಮೋಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಟಿಎಕ್ಸ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? RAM ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ fopen is what? To open this file and transfer to RAM. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ RAM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವುದು? in dot txt. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೇಟಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೆಲೋ, ಹೌ ಆರ್ ಯು, ಇದಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ. fp ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಥ್ರೂನೇ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 20 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 20 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 5 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ hello ಫೈಕರ್ ಈ hello ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ str ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ hello. It is also, for example, RAM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇರಬಹುದು. Hello will be transferred. This is name of the character. Okay, adjacent location. So this is how it works. Okay, fputs is just opposite of this. From the memory, it is transferred to the output file. Okay, you just I will explain this. The opposite of this. Fputs. Fput yes. What you want to fputs ಯಾವ ತರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ RAM. ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಹೆಲೋನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಫರ್ ಕಾಮ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು FP2 ಏನೋ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ fopen out.txt ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಯೋಣ. ಅದು ರೈಟ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು FP2 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು out.txt. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆ FP2. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ RAM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು hello str ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ fputs str FP2. So what fput transfer the contents of the string, transfer the contents of the buffer character array onto the output file. What is output file? Out.txt pointed by FP2. Fputs is what? Memory in the file ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ output file ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. fgets ಏನಂದ್ರೆ input file ಇಂದ read ಆಗಿ memory ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So input file ಇಂದ memory ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಫೈಲ್. So these are the differences you should understand. Okay, these are very simple. Try to understand the concept. Okay. Now get W, put W. Just to understand that to read string, read integer, write integer from the input file and onto the output file. So get W, put W functions. So get W is to read integer from the input file pointed by FP. Put W, get W function FP. So read integer. You just write this, you get the marks. Read integer from the input file pointed by. All should be performed through file pointers. File pointer. A file pointer may be any name you can give FP1, FP2 like that. Okay. So this is to read integer from the input file pointer. Suppose you put W output just opposite to name put W. Put W is what? You have to FP and you have to read a line. Write integer. Input file but the end output file. Is the difference? So get W and put W is to read and write integer from the input file. Get W is to read integer from input file through FP. Put W is to write integer onto the output file through FP. So this is your plan. So these are the things you should understand. These are all unformatted file IO functions. Formatted IO fscanf. Formatted output fprintf. Scanf is what? Scanf ಯಾವ ತರ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Scanf %t, %f, %c. You are reading like this: ampersand a, ampersand b, ampersand c. So you are reading different types of data and storing in variables, right? 3 variables. Here same thing here, scanf, but only one difference is FP. Okay, FP. We'll discuss this in the next class. I will write one program. You just understand that to read a different types of data from the input file pointed by FP, write different types of data onto the output file pointed by FP. So this is very important. You just go through it in the notes. I will explain tomorrow. Okay. So one program, small program. Yesterday I have done this. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ one file ಇದೆ. Assume that this is in.txt. ಇದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಇದೆ out.txt. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದಿದೆ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಒಂದಿದೆ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಡೇಟಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ FP1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್, ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. FP2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್, ಇದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. How to create this and transfer this data to this file? Write a program for that. So execution starts from void D. You have to declare two 5 pointers, FP1 and FP2. One should be open in read mode, another should be open in write mode. One should be open in read mode where you have to read the characters, and then once the open in write mode, you have to transfer those characters onto the output file. So two files you have to declare. File declaration FP1. This FP1 is pointing to this file. FP2 is pointing to this file out.txt, and FP1 is pointing to in.txt. So FP1 is a file pointer pointing to this file in.txt. FP2 is a file pointer pointing to the file out.txt. So you are reading character, for that I will write C. So open, once you have to read, no, it should be open in read mode, then you read the character. Okay, for that, clear screen. FP1 is equal to F open, file should be open. Which one? In.txt. You can open any file in read mode. Okay, so this is over. Execute agogutte. So in.txt is located in the hard disk, transferred to the RAM, and it is open in read mode, and the file pointer is pointing to that, and then you have to read character by character, and this will be transferred here like that. Okay, again I want to open this now. For that I should, if it is not present, this has to be created, then only the transfer should be made. FP2 is equal to F open, and this file should be opening write mode out.txt. That's all. Error step. One read model open agutte, then you have to read the character. One is write model because you have to transfer copy the contents of this to this. Then very important step is loop. You have to read characters from the input file and immediately transfer onto the output file, as long as the you reach the end of the file here. Okay. For that, what you have to do, while that the character that you are reading not equal to the end of file, is it not? This is the condition. Then you have to begin. Then what you have to do? First read the character. Read madak yen madbeku nanu. F, you write here. F get C. What you have to do? F get C. Yen read madtira. What you are going to write here? F get C. Character, is it not? F get C. File pointer yen character read mad. That will be collected in ch variable. Ch is equal to read the character pointed by file pointer FP1. So you are reading character. FP1 is pointing to this file. No, very first character. So ch ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, t ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ t immediately ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Then you have to write here f put c ch comma FP2. FP2 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಷ್ಟೇ program. So I will explain it here. Once you open this file, f open in.txt in read mode, file pointer is pointing to first character. It contains address of t, and this is opened in write mode. So first, while this character t not equal to end of file, no, end of file is illela ide alva. So t is not equal to end of file is true. Then f put c, put that character in the output file. That is which character? T pointed by FP2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, t print ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It is internally happening which you don't know. Once you open that after the program execution, you will see that the output file contains this complete text. Okay. So next, automatically file pointer FP1 moves to W. W not equal to U of E is true, and W is transferred to FP2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ W ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. W I transfer ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ it all happens in fraction of second. Then end of file reach ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ you are coming out of the output .txt contains the. We can open and see that. You can go to the Alt F4, see the content of out.txt. Complete, it contains exactly the copy of the end.txt. So is it clear? Okay. Hello. 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 Anybody is there? Hello. Okay, you have to go through this. Okay, this is the program, very important program. Try to understand this program. Fget is that much you can understand. Tomorrow we'll discuss about fscanf and fprintf. Okay, thank you very much.